Kinakabahan ako. So, ang budget ko, nakakahiya. When God is with you, nothing or no one can come against you. Magkano ang nagastos ko today? Isang top 50 na agad. Another day, another vlog. Yes, eto na naman po tayo. If you've watched my previous vlog, I've mentioned there na your girl is back to work. So in this vlog, I'll be sharing my entire journey sa pagbabalik ko sa trabaho. And dahil I'm starting my first day at work tomorrow, samahan niyo akong pumunta ng city at mag-mini shopping. Wow, kala mo naman may budget. Doon lang tayo sa Kmart pupunta. Yung bibili lang tayo ng affordable para lang makasurvive for the week. Yung previous job ko sa airline tapos sa hotel. So, parehas may uniform provided. This time, wala. So, kailangan kong magtingin-tingin ng susuotin. And kailangan naman presentable tayo, 'di ba? So, i-share ko lahat ng preparations ko before ako mag-start tomorrow. And hopefully, makapag-vlog din ako tomorrow sa first day ko. Pero syempre, hindi ako mag-vlog sa office, 'di ba? Nakakahiya naman. But I'll share the entire experience with you guys. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go. I'm ready to head out. Ang pupuntahan lang natin today is Kmart. Syempre, yung pinakamura, pinaka-budget friendly. Kmart, Target, kasi same-same sila. And then, Glassons, check din ako. So, ang budget ko, nakakahiya, $100. Enough na ba yun? Anyway, hopefully, we can find something. Hindi talaga ako nagsisplurge sa damit. Just so you know. Tara, let's go!
Being honest, I didn't mean to fall in love with you, with you, with you, with you. It just kinda happened. Don't really know when. Just know that it's with you, with you, with you, with you. Now it's making me nervous, 'cause I'm thinking you noticed. Let me know if you
First stop today is Target. Wala masyadong options dito so far. Isa pa lang yung nakikita ko. We'll see. Hindi din masyadong mura. So, tingin-tingin lang tayo. Hindi pa ako magpa-purchase kasi gusto ko rin pumunta muna sa Kmart. But we'll see. Hopefully may mahanap. Nakita ako, dalawa lang. So, mag-fit muna tayo. Tignan natin kung okay. Honestly, hindi din masyadong mura dito sa Target. So, baka mag-check muna ako ng Glassons kasi mas maraming updated styles sa Glassons compared here. Tapos yung price nila parang same lang. So, fit ko muna to.
'cause I'd rather listen anything to talk to you, to you, to you, to you. That's making me nervous, 'cause I'm thinking you noticed.
So far, mga walang wow factor yung mga nakita ko. Wala masyadong options dito kasi medyo old style. Kapunta tayo sa Glassons.
Fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong, if I'm the only one. 'Cause I will leave my life behind and keep on talking. Yeah, I won't say anything to you. Oh, I won't say anything to you. Yeah,
Ako dito sa Uniqlo na wala sa oras. Dito pasok sa budget ko. Nag-check lang ako. Kasi wala akong mahanap eh. Ending, napunta tayo sa Uniqlo. Wala kasi yung ng maganda talaga. Sabi ko ang budget ko, $100. Isang top. 50 na agad. Anyway, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga napili ko.
behind and keep on talking.
Tatlong items yung mabibili ko dito. So, $150 agad. Ang galing ko talaga. Anyway, so I'm gonna pay $150. Iyak na lang. I'm finally home. So, Hulaan nyo magkano ang nagastos ko today. Drum roll! Ay, let's do a haul kung ano yung mga binili ko today. So, ito lang yung nabili ko sa Kmart. Ako to $13. Sabi ko, sige, pwede na to. Tapos, nang babayaran ko na, alam niyo ba, $8 lang siya. O, diba? Nakasave ako ng konti. So, I got 3 tops from Uniqlo plus isang, anong tawag dito? Camisole. So, bumili ako ng isang camisole. This is $40. This is tama ba $40? No, $50. 49.90. So this one is $50. Yeah. Second one, ito I really like it then. Actually, kung marami-rami pa akong budget, gusto ko bilhin lahat ng colors and designs kasi meron silang ganito na blue, ganitong blue pero stripes naman. Tapos merong white na may stripes naman na black. May black din. So, hindi ko carry munang gumastos kasi hindi talaga ako gumagastos masyado sa damit. Kaya, so, $50 ulit. Hindi naman lahat long sleeves. This one, I think, this one is 3/4. Yan. Also, $50. Okay. Sa Uniqlo, naka $190 ako. Almost $200. And then sa Kmart, $8. Tapos, syempre, marami akong pants. But for some reason, sabi, lahat kasi sila medyo, lahat ng pants ko, yung mga loose pants ko, as in super loose naman na talaga. So, gusto ko ng something na medyo fitted naman. So, bumili ako ng pants. Ayan. This one is also very, very pretty and very comfy. Yan. I really like it. May brown nga nito. Gusto ko din. Pero sabi ko, tsaka na lang. Pag may budget na at may sweldo, it's from Glassons. This one is $50. Oh, alam niyo na. So, all in all, magkano nga ba? Wait lang, magkano nga? Siri, 198 plus 50.
198 plus 50 is 248.
So, all in all, naka 248 ako. Sakit sa dibdib, diba? Anyway, for sure naman magagamit ko siya sa work. And I'm so excited. Mag-aayos na ako ng gamit mamaya. Naka-receive na rin ako ng email dun sa director ko, sa bago kong boss, na welcome to the team. I'll be training you. Siya daw yung magte-train sa akin. So, good luck talaga pag-train niyo ako, guys. Ayun, balitaan ko kayo bukas bago ko pumasok. Okay?
Maybe you've been missing, and nobody's watching, 'cause you got all you wanted. I heard you took that nasty feeling to that friend of yours. I don't mean to air out your business, but it's an easy out to call when you're ambitious. It's time will tell what we both needed. Did you think no one would ever notice? Are you scared that you got nothing to give? Don't you wanna be somebody, something instead of nothing? Who are you deceiving? Play so well, say you're almost honest. You run away from what you need to. Does it ever get old? If you dreamed a little better, swim right up the river, just harder to consider.
Project's done. Time check, it's already 7:20 in the morning. I can't wait to take a shower. Tapos, breakfast. Tapos, pasok na tayo sa trabaho.
Don't you wanna be somebody, something instead of nothing?
I'm done. Time check, it's already 8:20. Tapos na ako mag-ayos. Hindi na ako mag-blazer because I'm not sure if formal ba sila doon or semi-formal or semi-fashion. I don't know. I'll just keep it simple for now. I'm so hungry, kaya na mag-breakfast na tayo. Ano? Anong panukat? I'm nervous! Kinakabahan ako! Ang sikip ng dibdib ko. Kinakabahan ako. As in, sobrang dugdug, dugdug, dugdug. Ba't ako kinakabahan? Parang tanga naman. I am freaking out! This is my meal prep. It's baked crumpets. Oh, diba? So it's like a fusion of French toast and leche flan. Then maple syrup. Hindi ko nga alam kung mauubos ko to sa kaba ko eh.
What are you thinking now? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, I don't want nothing else. I don't want nothing else. Don't deny.
Habang nagbe-breakfast ako, ayusin ko na din yung gamit ko para isang kilusan na lang. Alam niyo ba itong bag na to? Ito din yung first bag ko nung nag-work ako sa Melbourne. Yung first ever work ko sa Melbourne. Well, isa lang naman yung trabaho ko sa Melbourne. Ito din yung bag ko noon. Binili lang namin to sa Kmart. Tapos nakita ko kagabi. Sabi ko, gamitin natin ulit. Pampaswerte. Tapos ito yung baon kong lunch sa work. Nakainin ko yan mamaya. Hopefully, meron silang microwave doon. Siyempre, notebook and pen. Where's my pen? Pen. Tapos, mints. Hindi pwedeng mawala ang tint. And where is my, kulang-kulang. Tint. Siyempre, salamin. Ang tawag dito, petroleum. And hand cream. Uy! Alcohol. Excuse me. Handy dandy alcohol. Magkasya. Ayan. May coffee to go. Dadalhin ko na lang yan. And my extra phone, just in case. Busin ko naman yung breakfast ko. Update ko na lang kayo later. Wish me luck!
Want you to stay.
Sobrang kinakabahan ako. Good luck to me!
Give me everything. What are you thinking now? Yourself. If you believe in love, I don't want nothing else. What are you thinking now? Tell me about yourself.
And finally home. Tapos na yung work. Everything went well. They were amazing. Everyone's so friendly. Teka, nandun ako sa bahay.
Tawan mo yan.
Stressful sa umpisa, pero they were all nice. I'm so lucky. Gutom na ako. Actually, the initial plan was tatakbo kami ni Mike after ng work ko. Kaya lang, hindi ko alam kung dahil ba stress ako kaninang umaga. Dala-dala ko pa yung stress ngayon. Kaya ang sama-sama ng pakiramdam ko. Or talagang magkakasakit lang ako. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko masabi. Pero kasi kapag stress ako, or kinakabahan, or mayroon ng pinagdadaanan, usually stress yung nagtitrigger eh. Sobrang sinisikmura ako, nag-a-acid ako. Ngayon, ganun yung nafe-feel ko simula kanina pang umaga kasi nga alam kong stress ako eh. Kaya ang sakit-sakit ng sikmura ako. Tapos may sabi ni Mike, mainit daw ako. Kasi everyday, nagtatry ako ng at least 10K steps. Pero dahil nga masama yung pakiramdam ko ngayon, dapat tatakbo kami. Pero I feel like I can't. So sabi ko kay Mike, di na ako tatakbo. Maglalakad na lang ako. Hindi ko din alam kung kaya ko maglakad. Pero baka mag-walking pa rin ako sa labas. Kasi I feel like I need to... I don't know. I feel like I need a breather. Parang di ako makahinga kasi nga medyo mentally na pagod ako. Ganun naman, di ba, pag meron tayong pag may training or may bago ka natututunan, ang tendency is info overload. Kaya ang sakit-sakit ng ulo ko, ang sama ng pakiramdam ko. So, siguro lalabas pa rin ako. I'll just do some walking. Pahinga lang ako konti, tapos maglalakad-lakad ako. And then, mag-dinner. But just so you know guys, I'm so grateful to God. Kasi, I know na He was with me simula kanina. All throughout the day, alam ko na He was with me. Hindi ako masyado nahirapan. Yes, there were a lot of informations definitely. But I know na eventually, matututunan ko din. I need to give myself some grace na take it slowly. And I'm really, really grateful to God kasi yung mga kasama ko, they were all nice. Kailangan ko lang talagang i-absorb lahat ng matutunan ko and i-apply yun everyday. So yun lang. That's my work update, lesson of the day. Alam nyo, kaninang umaga, sobrang kabadong-kabado ko. As in, talagang hindi ako makakain ng breakfast. Hindi ko nga na-enjoy yung breakfast ko kasi sobrang parang nasusuka ako na ang sikip na nitib ko na kabadong-kabado na hindi ko maintindihan. Sobrang mixed emotions. And one thing I learned today is that we need to trust God more. Kasi when God is with you, nothing or no one can come against you. For some reason, we tend to overthink all the time. Well, we're humans, diba? What can you do? But we tend to overthink. And sobrang pinrove niya sa akin na when you trust Him, everything's gonna be fine. Sobrang takot ako, worried ako kaninang morning. Everything went well. As in, you know, just trust God more. And just surrender everything. Everything will be fine. Diba?
It's a garden